All right, got a Husqvarna 240 here. I'm going to show you how to replace the bar and the chain and how to tighten the chain up on this model. First thing I do is loosen this up. This is what tightens down your bar to keep it tight. I'm going to leave this on that way don't get cut at all. On the chain itself, or twisting this, got this loose. This is how you tighten your bar up, or your chain, so you'll stretch it out, bring your bar in. I always loosen this up quite a bit. It's easier and ready whenever you take your bar off. Go ahead and remove this completely. You take your cover off. Your brake's in here, your chain brake. This is how easy and quick this is. So your cover's off. Okay, so now you go to your bar. We'll go ahead and take this cover off. Just slide your bar back. Take your chain off. Slide it back off. And that's how quick it is to take your chain off. Then your bar, what you have to do is lift up, and it's completely off. That's how quick and easy it is. And your adjuster goes in your hole right here. So whenever you put your cover back on, you have to make sure your adjuster, which is your leverage right here, this is what goes back and forward to tighten up your bar and your chain. Put that back on. Push all the way back, that way your chain has plenty of room. Put your chain back. The beginning part. Go to the end. Now there is little grooves on the end of your bar here that you got set in. There we go. Now we're going to put the chain. All right, now we just got to get everything lined back up. It's got to be a pain in the butt. Come on. Put your cover on. Like I said, make sure that goes in there. Put your screw back on. Your tightener. So I'm going to get this down a little tight. Not extremely tight. Still wobble the bar here. I'm going to start tightening it up. So whenever you're cutting, most of the time you're cutting downward. So you want to pull your bar up just a little bit. I ain't no professional at this. This is how I do it. I'm sure everyone tightens their bar separately. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to hold this bar up in the air. And then this going down is going to tighten it. So once we get that where it just barely falls in there, a little bit tighter. Maybe one more. See how this wants to fall right back in there? Maybe just one more. But it still has some slack. Hold that bar up. I'm going to tighten it up all the way. There you go. That's how you do it.